A summary of making NPK fertilizers by KayScience.com. This diagram represents soil with crops being grown, and soil naturally contains salts with the elements nitrogen, which has the chemical symbol a capital N, phosphorus, which has the chemical symbol a capital P, and potassium, which has the chemical symbol a capital K. Now, these salts are absorbed by the crops, and when they're absorbed, this helps the crops grow. And when the crops grow, for the farmer, this is good, as this means more crops, so more money, making the farmer happy. However, over time, the crops do not grow at the same rate. This is because all naturally occurring salts have been absorbed by previous crops. This means less growth. Now the farmer isn't happy. So what the farmer does is the farmer can use NPK fertilizers. NPK fertilizers are specifically made formulations of different salts containing the elements nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, NPK. The farmer sprays the NPK fertilizers on the crops, and these NPK fertilizers are absorbed by the crops. This then helps the crops grow, and when the crops grow, the farmer is happy as the farmer makes more money. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. This diagram represents a bag of NPK fertilizer, and the bag of NPK fertilizer contains a formulation of different compounds, including the elements nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These are the different compounds that can be found in a bag of NPK fertilizer. We have ammonium nitrate, ammonium phosphate, calcium nitrate, potassium salts, single superphosphate, which is a mixture of calcium phosphate and calcium sulfate, and then triple superphosphate, which is just calcium phosphate. Now, these compounds are found in different formulations in different bags of NPK fertilizers, depending on the use of that fertilizer. We're now going to go through the raw materials needed to make NPK fertilizers. So the source of ammonia is the Haber process, which can be summarized by this balanced symbol equation. The source of nitrogen is from air, and the source of hydrogen is from natural gas. The source of phosphorus is from mined rocks rich in phosphorus, and these mined rocks rich in phosphorus are insoluble in water. This means they will not dissolve in water, as we can see by this diagram. And the source of potassium is mined rocks rich in potassium, and these rocks are soluble in water. So when we have a container of water and we place these mined rocks rich in potassium into the water, the rocks will actually dissolve in the water. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Here is the final summary of making NPK fertilizers. And to begin with, we're going to focus on phosphate-rich rocks, where if we add sulfuric acid, H2SO4, this makes single superphosphate, which is a mixture of calcium phosphate, Ca3PO42, and calcium sulfate, CaSO4. And if phosphate-rich rocks are reacted with nitric acid, which is HNO3, this can make phosphoric acid, H3PO4, and also calcium nitrate, CaNO3 2. If we then combine phosphoric acid and phosphate-rich rocks, these can react together to make triple superphosphate, which is calcium phosphate, CaPO4 2. Notice how the salts are in the green boxes and the raw materials are in the red box and the acids are in the single black line boxes. Now, ammonia, NH3, is obtained from the Haber process, and ammonia can be converted into nitric acid HNO3. And if ammonia and nitric acid react together, they can form the salt ammonium nitrate, which is NH4NO3. And if ammonia and phosphoric acid react together, they can form the salt ammonium phosphate, which has the formula NH4,3PO4. And finally, potassium rich rocks are already soluble in water, so they can go straight into a formulation of NPK fertilizer with all the other salts depending on how the formulation has been made. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.